What's up, guys? It's Sean from the Over Budget OBS channel. So I guess you guys like my amp research buckets I built. So there was a big demand. I had a lot of people that requested them. So guess what? I decided to build them. They are now available. I put together a pretty good setup. I'm still working on the instruction video. I'm gonna put a second kit together that's gonna actually have the diodes. I'm gonna try to hardwire everything much as I can for everybody. That will be an option. If you want to know more about it, hit me up below. I'm gonna drop a link. overbudgetobs@gmail.com, and that's for the crew cab trucks. And got good news. I bought this beautiful beast of a truck for mock-up for the extended cab. We got it done this morning, so we're gonna have the extended cab amp boards, and I got the single cab going this week too, so we're gonna be able to do the extended cab, the four-door crew cab, and the single cab. Broncos, you're coming soon. So like I said, if you want to get a hold of me, overbudgetosb@gmail.com. Like and subscribe, guys, and I appreciate it. Thanks.